This has to be the most genius way of storing and transporting your sewing machine. My friend Christina from my sewing class actually was the one who came up with this idea. So if you're watching this, Christina, shout out. I went to Trader Joe's today and I got this large reusable insulated bag for $8.99. It is the perfect size for a domestic sewing machine. Oops. Look how cozy she is in here. And then the cherry on top is that for your power cord, you can just stick it in this little compartment on the side. Foot pedal is down here, and there's still some extra room for any other accessories that you might have. Let's go sew.